Hi, John McQuiston here with Senal. We're going to take a look at Senal's MX series microphones, which are designed with optimized frequency response and sensitivity for capturing voices during video conferences, lectures, and meetings. Let's take a closer look at these microphones. Up first, we have the MX boundary microphones. These condenser microphones are available in both cardioid and omnidirectional polar patterns and have a wide frequency response. They operate via 12 to 48 volt phantom power and use a TA3 to XLR connector to send a balanced signal to the mixing board or PA system while minimizing RF or EM interference even with long cable runs. Their high-pass filter minimizes unwanted room noise and low-end rumble, ensuring the mic can capture the full richness of the voice. Rugged metal housing protects the mic capsule while shielding in the microphones and surrounding their cables prevents interference from smartphones and other electronics. The CAPSENSE silent touch mute engages the mute button with a simple touch, while an LED indicator lets you know that it's muted. The MX series also includes gooseneck microphones in both 12 and 18-inch sizes. These cardioid microphones are sleek and professional and are designed to accept interchangeable omnidirectional and SUPER-CARDIOID microphone capsules, which screw on and off in seconds. The microphones have an all-metal construction and feature dual gooseneck sections which let you position the mic precisely where you need it. The integrated base has a built-in programmable silent touchpad to talk or mute the microphone. An LED ring indicator sits just below the mic capsule, making it easy to see which mics are active and which are muted. The goosenecks operate via phantom power and are outfitted with a balanced XLR output to provide pristine and interference-free sound, while a low-cut filter minimizes low rumble from air conditioning, fans, and lights. With reliable clarity, these MX series microphones are perfect for providing clear and intelligible speech during lectures, video conferences, meetings, and more. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and head to senalsound.com to check out our extensive line of microphones and audio gear.